After the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, there was an attempt to start, and a lot of revolutionary activities started in various parts of Punjab, Bengal, Maharashtra, and also in some places of Tamil Nadu. So, Anushilan Samiti, Yugankar Samiti, so these were some of the revolutionary groups. Bengal Volunteer was a major revolutionary group in this part of the country. And they all used to take oath, and the revolutionaries, they thought that the only way to drive the British rulers out of this country was by not by the peaceful non-cooperation movement, but by at the same time by armed rebellion, which many of them they started in various parts of the country.